Okay, so this is the best way to cut an onion. If you want it diced, cut it in half first. Today we're only going to use about 1/4 of an onion. So what we're going to do now is cut one of these in half. This part we're going to save. Put it over here. Cut the tip off. Don't need that. Take off this outer layer right here. That's going to give us the onion itself. Sometimes you might have to go one more, but this is good. We can use that. That's all usable onion right there. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to cut horizontally this way, leaving the onion intact. So now we're going to do that again. And we're going to go for about a medium dice. So pieces are going to be, now right here is where you kind of start deciding on what size you want your dice to be. So the bigger your dice is going to be. You can go very thin and get a very fine dice. We're going to go for medium today. All right, so get a little bit here. All right, so then we're going to turn it this way. And as we start cutting this way, we'll keep it probably about the same to keep it all a nice medium dice. And there we have 1/4 of a medium diced onion. And if they're a little bit too big, you can chop these a little bit. You can even do another pass by like this to get them to the size that you want. That right there, the easiest way to cut an onion.